Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, our today's topic is multiplication with equal groups. Equal groups means एक जैसे groups जिसमें जो quantity है things की वो equal हो. Fine. For example, this is the group. These are the two groups. Two groups हैं और हर group में कितनी balls हैं? टू बॉल्स है ना. इसमें भी टू बॉल्स है और इसमें भी टू बॉल्स है. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज आइसक्रीम्स. आइसक्रीम्स के कितने ग्रुप्स हैं? वन वन ग्रुप है और हर ग्रुप में कितनी आइसक्रीम्स है? वन. इस ग्रुप में भी वन है और इस ग्रुप में भी वन है. सो इक्वल है, एक जैसी है. ठीक है. दोनों ग्रुप्स में टू टू है, दोनों ग्रुप्स में वन वन है. सो दिस इज इक्वल. Okay students, so we will do the multiplication with equal groups, right? So without wasting any time, let's get started with the concept now. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand that what are equal groups. Equal groups क्या होते हैं? So here is all the groups have same size. हर ग्रुप का एक साइज सेम साइज हो, मीनिंग each group must have the same amount. हर ग्रुप की same amount हो. Amount means quantity, right? For example, these are the two groups. Two groups है, one group and two group. और हर ग्रुप की कितनी quantity है? Means कितनी balls है हर ग्रुप में? इस ग्रुप में भी 3 है तो इस ग्रुप में भी 3 है. Right? So number of groups कितने हैं? 2 है. राइट. इनटू हर ग्रुप में कितनी है? हाउ मेनी बॉल्स आर इन ईच ग्रुप? 3. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स कितनी है? 2 3s are 6. सो अब आप काउंट कर सकते हो 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स आर 6. ओके, आई रिपीट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इक्वल ग्रुप्स क्या होते हैं? इक्वल ग्रुप्स मींस द क्वांटिटी. हर ग्रुप में कितनी चीजें हैं, दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज द इक्वल. राइट, एक जैसा, सेम. ओके, सो नाउ दीज आर द टू ग्रुप्स. इस बॉल के कितने ग्रुप्स हैं? टू ग्रुप्स हैं. वन ग्रुप एंड टू ग्रुप. राइट, टू ग्रुप्स हैं, टू. नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स 2 into हर ग्रुप में कितनी बॉल्स हैं? हाउ मेनी बॉल्स इन ईच ग्रुप? ईच मीन्स हर एक ग्रुप में 1 2 3. सो 3. So total number of groups, total number of balls are 2 3s are 6. Now you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the total number of balls are 6. Okay. All right. Now we will go to another product. These are the two pens. How many groups? कितने groups हैं? Two groups हैं. One group, two group, right? कितने groups हैं? Two. Number of groups are 2 into how many things in each group? हर group में कितनी चीजें हैं? Pen. We are talking about pen. कितने pen हैं हर group में? 1. So number of pens are 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Now you can count 1 2. Is that clear? Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay. Eggs. How many? First of all, tell me how many groups? Groups कितने हैं? Yes, 2. Very good. One group and two groups. And how many eggs in each group? हर group में कितने eggs हैं? 1 2. So 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. So how many total number of eggs are? 1 2 3 4. Okay students? Okay, now let's do some exercises. The one has already been done for you. How many pineapples are there? How many groups? Groups कितने हैं? One group, two group. How many groups? 2 groups, right? And how many pineapples in each group? हर group में कितने pineapples हैं? 1, 2, 3 into 3 is equal to 3. 2 3s are 6. Very good. So, how many pineapples? Total number of pineapples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, total number of pineapples कितने हैं हमारे पास? 6. Okay. Now, the next you will tell me. How many groups of cupcakes? कितने groups हैं? Yes, right you are. 3 groups. 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. Now how many cupcakes in each group? हर group में कितने cupcakes हैं? 2. 1, 2. So 3 2s are 6. Very good. Now you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of cupcakes are 6. Okay, students? Okay. Now, what are these? These are the spoons. So, how many groups of the spoons? 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 group and 6 group. Okay. How many groups? 6. Number of groups are 6. Now, number of items in each group. हर group में कितनी items हैं? 1, 2. So 6 2s are, we haven't done, yes, we have done the table of 6, right? So 6 2s are 12. Or you can do 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12 also, vice versa. Because in the previous video, we have learned this thing that whatsoever order of the numbers, when we multiply two numbers in any order, the product will be the same. अगर आप 6 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो या 2 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, the answer would be the same. Is that clear? Okay. So, total number of spoons are 12. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, students? Alright. Now, let's move on to the another question. What are these? These are apples. Now you will tell me how many groups of apples? 4. Yes, right you are. 4. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group and 4 group. अब हर group में कितने apples हैं? How many apples in each group? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So number of apples in each group is 3. Now total number of apples हम इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे. 4 3s are 12. Okay students, so here is the concept of, this is called as the multiplication of equal groups. Alright, now let's move on to the next question. What are these? These are the flowers. How many groups of flowers? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of groups are 6. How many flowers in each group? हर group में कितने flowers हैं? 3 flowers. 1, 2 and 3. So number of flowers in each group? 3. Now total number of flowers कितने हैं? Total number of flowers. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. अब आप count कर लो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, right? So instead of count so many things, it's better कि आप पहले उनके groups बनाएं और हर group में कितने items हैं उसको उससे multiply कर दें. So you will get the total number of items. Okay students? Alright. So let's move on to the last question. Now what are these? These are the candies, right? Now how many groups? सबसे पहले groups पे focus करेंगे. कितने groups हैं candies के? 3 groups, right? 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. Okay, 3 groups hai. So number of groups are 3. Now how many toffees, how many candies in each group? हर group में कितनी toffees हैं, कितनी candies हैं? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now total number of candies are, we are not supposed to count all the candies. No, we just have to multiply these two numbers. So हमारे पास total number of candies आ जाएंगी. So 3 5s are 15. Okay students, so this is all about multiplication of equal groups. Okay, it's कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें, just आपको groups लेने हैं, right? Number of groups को हर ग्रुप में कितनी आइटम्स है उससे उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना, so you will get the total number of items. Okay students? Alright students, I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.